Ever struggled to fit a long list of bullet points onto a single PowerPoint slide without making it look cramped or unreadable? You're not alone. In today's video, I'll show you a simple but powerful trick to neatly organize long lists on one slide without shrinking the text or overwhelming your audience. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to transform a cluttered list into a clean, professional layout in seconds. Let's dive right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide that contains your long list. Select the text box where your list lives. This is key. You need the whole text box selected, not just the text inside. Next, right-click on that text box and choose Format Shape. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen. Inside this panel, click on Text Options. You'll see three small icons at the top. Look for the third one, which controls text layout. Now comes the magic. Find the Columns option and click it. Here you can decide how many columns you want. Try 2 or 3 columns depending on the length of your list. The moment you increase the number of columns, PowerPoint instantly reorganizes your text into a balanced, newspaper-style layout. You can also fine-tune the spacing between columns to make sure everything is easy to read. This simple adjustment keeps your text large enough for your audience to see while using the full width of the slide. No more tiny fonts or messy overflow. Extra tip: if you want to add a little polish, consider aligning your text to the top of the box and making sure the bullet points are consistent across columns. A quick check of line spacing, about 1.15 to 1.5, is often the sweet spot for readability. And that's it! In just a few clicks, you can take a crowded slide and turn it into a sleek, professional presentation. No need for multiple slides or microscopic text. Your audience stays focused and your message stays clear. If you found this PowerPoint tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!